Hello, and a very warm welcome to all our friends. We are so happy you are here with us today. This is the Listen and Speak English Stories podcast, a special place for you to practice your English. We believe learning a new language is like starting a great adventure. Each new word is a step forward. Each new story is a new world to discover. Our goal: make your English journey fun, interesting, and inspiring. We want you to feel confident and happy as you learn. We choose stories that are easy to understand and full of positive messages. Today, we have a very special story for you. A story about a man who dreams very big dreams. His name is Elon Musk. His company, SpaceX. Elon Musk was born in a country called South Africa. When he was a young boy, he was not like all the other children. He was very quiet and often spent his time reading books. He loved to read. He read many books about all kinds of subjects. He read about science, technology, and stories about heroes in faraway places. Reading helped him learn about the world and sparked his imagination. He was a very curious child. He always wanted to know how things worked. This curiosity was like a little seed that was planted in his mind, ready to grow into big ideas later in his life. Life was not always easy for young Elon. At school he was sometimes lonely. Other children did not always understand his deep interest in books and computers. This made him feel different, but it did not stop him from learning. He taught himself how to program a computer when he was still a young boy. This was very unusual at the time. He even created his own video game and sold it to a magazine. This showed that even at a young age, he had a special talent for turning his ideas into something real. His early passion for reading and learning built the foundation for his future dreams. After leaving South Africa, he moved to Canada and then to the United States to study at university. He worked very hard and started successful companies. One early company, PayPal, made online money transfers easy and made him wealthy. But he wasn't just after money. He still had big childhood dreams, thinking about space, thinking about rockets and the future of humanity among the stars. He wanted to make a real difference. He had a bold, risky idea: start his own rocket company. Many thought it was crazy. Start his own rocket company. Rockets are extremely difficult and very expensive. Even rich governments had tried and failed. People said he'd lose everything. They said it was impossible. But Elon believed. He believed humanity must become multi-planetary. In 2002, he acted. He started SpaceX. SpaceX = Space Exploration Technologies. Goal: build rockets to carry people and carry supplies into space. He used his own money. He gathered a small team, smart engineers and designers who shared his passion. They worked in a warehouse in California. They lacked big agency resources but had a powerful vision and a leader who pushed them. The first years were brutal. Early launches failed. Rockets exploded repeatedly. Each failure cost a lot of money and crushed the team's morale. Critics said, "We told you so. It's impossible." Money was almost gone. He had a choice: give up or risk everything on one last try. He risked everything. It proved his determination and belief in the mission. Elon Musk knew that to make his dream of space travel for many people come true, he needed to solve a very big problem. The problem was that rockets were extremely expensive. Imagine you buy a brand new airplane. You fly it just one time. Then, after that single trip, you throw the entire airplane away. That would make flying incredibly expensive. This is exactly how rockets worked for many years, used only once and then destroyed or lost in the ocean. This was the main reason space travel was so costly. This is where Elon Musk's most revolutionary idea came in. He asked a simple but powerful question: why can't we reuse rockets? Why can't we make them land safely back on Earth after their mission so we can fix them up, add more fuel, and fly them again and again? That idea became the core mission of SpaceX. If they could build a reusable rocket, They could lower the cost of going to space by a huge amount. It would completely change the space industry. Many experts in the rocket industry said it was impossible. They said that controlling a giant rocket booster as it falls back to Earth from the edge of space was too difficult. The booster travels at incredible speeds. Landing it upright on a small platform would be like trying to balance a tall pencil on your finger during a hurricane. It required new technology, new computer software, and a completely new way of thinking about rocket design. The SpaceX team had to invent many new things to even try to make this idea a reality. They designed their rockets, called the Falcon rockets, with this special ability in mind. Small wings called grid fins to help steer them as they came down through the air. Powerful engines that could restart in midair to slow the rocket down for a soft landing. Incredibly precise guidance systems to hit a tiny landing target. The journey to the first successful landing was long and filled with many failures, but each failure taught them something new and brought them one step closer to their amazing goal. After each failed landing, the engineers would carefully study all the data, find the problem, fix it, and then they would try again on the next launch. This process of trying, failing, learning, and trying again is the heart of engineering and innovation. Then finally, in December of 2015, everything worked perfectly. After a successful launch, a Falcon 9 rocket booster came back down to Earth. This time it was aiming for a landing pad on solid ground in Florida. The world watched in silence as the rocket descended from the dark sky, a bright flame from its engine pushing against gravity. It slowed down, hovered for a moment, and then gently touched down, standing perfectly upright. The control room at SpaceX erupted in cheers and celebration. They had done it. They had achieved the impossible. It was a historic moment, not just for SpaceX, but for the future of all space exploration. With reusable rockets, the cost of launching things into space started to go down significantly. This opened up space to more people, more companies, and more countries than ever before. SpaceX also developed a special spacecraft called the Dragon capsule designed to carry astronauts. The ultimate goal of Elon Musk and SpaceX has always been much bigger than just launching satellites or flying astronauts to the nearby space station. From the very beginning, his dream has been to make humanity a multiplanetary species. The main destination he has in his sights is our neighbor in the solar system, the planet Mars. He believes that for the long-term survival of humanity, we need a backup plan. To achieve this goal, SpaceX is building a new, much larger and more powerful rocket and spacecraft system called Starship. It is designed to be completely reusable, both the giant booster and the spaceship that sits on top. It will be able to carry more than 100 people at a time. Along with cargo and supplies, they would need to build a new home on another world. The idea is to build a fleet of hundreds or even thousands of starships. They would fly to orbit, where they would be refueled by other Starship tankers, then begin the months-long journey to Mars. Once they arrive, they will land on the Martian surface and begin the process of building the first human city on another planet. This sounds like science fiction, but SpaceX is actively building and testing Starship prototypes at their facility in Texas. They have already flown several of them to high altitudes and landed them successfully, showing that the basic design works. Elon Musk's dream of a city on Mars is a powerful source of inspiration. It encourages us to think big and to work on solving difficult problems. It gives us a hopeful vision for the future. You might be wondering, what does a story about rockets and Mars have to do with me learning English? This story is about much more than just technology. It's about the human spirit, about having a big dream and not giving up, even when things are very hard. When he started SpaceX, people told him he would fail. His first rockets exploded, but he kept going. He learned from his mistakes and stayed focused on his goal. Your journey of learning English is very similar. You might make mistakes when you speak. You might not understand every word you hear. You might feel like you are not making progress. These moments are like SpaceX's early rocket launches. They are not failures. They are learning opportunities. Every time you make a mistake and learn from it, you get one step closer to your goal. Have the same spirit as the SpaceX team. Never give up on your dream of speaking English fluently. Think about the power of a clear goal. Elon Musk didn't just say, "I want to do something in space." He had a specific goal, to make humanity multiplanetary with reusable rockets. For you, the goal could be have a conversation with a native speaker, watch an English movie without subtitles, or get a better job using your English skills. A clear, specific goal gives you direction and purpose. It helps you stay focused and measure progress. This story also teaches the importance of passion and curiosity. Stay curious, ask questions, look up new words, read stories about topics you love. Keep practicing every day. Repetition is the key to success in language learning. Listen to this story many times until the words and sentences feel natural to you. This will build your vocabulary, improve your grammar, and make you a more confident speaker. Remember the story of SpaceX. Remember their failures and how they led to success. Your own journey will have challenges, but with passion and consistent practice, you will achieve your dream. Thank you for listening to the Listen and Speak English Stories podcast. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and we will see you in our next story. Listen again, shadow the sentences, and keep practicing to improve your fluency.